Alright guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a secret chat on your Telegram. So now this is my Telegram. I open my Telegram here and you can see, click on this button that look like pencil. Click on it and see a new group you want to talk on your new secret chat on your new channel. Just click on new secret. So this is it. Just click on this. You can see you have invited you want to join your secret chat. You can see once the person is online, you'll be able to chat secretly and nobody is going to interfere. So now, if you want to mute, you can. Okay, now let's see. Just go back here. You can accept. You can see you have invited another person to join you now. You can just click another person. You have invited them. So, oh, sorry. You can see you have invited this one to join you for a secret chat, and nobody will see what you're saying except only the two of you. So it is very easy to add a secret chat. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.